was recently going through my photos from last month and I had to stop to catch my breath because holy shit, I cannot believe that this is the same life that I've been crying about. Well, I've been crying for over a year now, except in May 2025, I was crying over a job that I had just lost and a fully booked dream international trip that I had to cancel because of it. It's 2026 now, bitches, and I'm still crying. Except I have not one, but two jobs now. And in the month of May alone, I traveled to 6 different cities in and outside of Germany. I mean, talk about making a comeback and not even realizing it. I know, I'm sorry, and you all probably think that my passion in life is to complain and cry. True, but also remember कि अनन्या struggles तो अभी 1 साल पहले ही पैदा हुई है. उससे पहले I was simply अनन्या जोशी. In fact, उस जमाने में तो मेरे को fashion और travel influencer कहा जाता था. And that's what I wanted to be, not this रोने धोने वाला personality. But this personality is what got me popularity. And अब जो तुम मेरे जाल में already फंस चुकी हो, तो बैठ के देखो अब मेरा travel content. That's gonna be my next reel. The point of this reel is to tell you.
अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है.
In simpler words, the universe does give you the things that you truly want and keep fighting for. The catch is you don't get them immediately or exactly when you want. Only the luckiest people get that. In most cases, there is a delay in response and it comes when you least expect it. Because if I really think about it, the life that I cry about now used to be my 11/11 wish a few years ago. And this life came to me unexpectedly in not the best circumstances. I may or may not like it now, but it still came to me because I asked for it. I often think about younger me and everything she went through for me to be here today. And if I don't appreciate what I have right here, right now, I'm basically insulting the little girl. So yeah, I will make sure to savor these moments. And that does not mean that I'm giving up or that I don't want more. And listen, if you no longer want this and your dreams have evolved, you're gonna have them come true anyways. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, maybe 2 years later. But trust me, the universe will get it to you. Just remember that and don't give up because most people do. And never stop believing that you are deserving of it. Trust me, I know being patient sucks. But अब तुम्हें अगर wait करना ही है तो
जहाँ है वहीं का मजा लेते हैं.